midwife has said, she's in full control of herself, her life, her relationships, her decisions, everything. And she'll notice that from here on out, things will be different. I said to her, she won't be feeling the same, and it'll take her a little bit of time to adjust to how she's feeling now. This will be her new norm from here onwards. But like I said before, we always speak of life. People come to me and go, well, what was that? Or where did it come from? What does it look like? You know, I'm not going to indulge anyone in diving into that stuff and recreating it all over again. When you have a healing like this done, you just have to accept that healing has taken place. And only you can accept that in your heart. If you're going to go away wondering, thinking, analysing, worrying, you end up recreating it all over again and you defeat the purpose. You get off the table and you acknowledge in your heart that healing has happened. You're the only person who can